I enjoy the precision we put into the building the engines. I mean, we always put all our attention and time into building the engine to make sure it's going to be perfection. My name's Jake and I'm Engine Department Manager. We receive the engine V8s rerun up in the test rig. We'll then strip the engine while measuring everything. Then all parts will get cleaned, shot blasted, and then checked by myself. They will then get prepped for paint, and the cylinder block, head and crank get sent to a local specialist who do the machining, pressure testing and grinding on the crankshaft. And then when we receive it back, we mask them up for painting. To actually build an engine, you're talking 10 to 14 days to build one engine, just because we spend so much time on it, paying attention to all the details. The gearboxes also come in, they are stripped down, they're all cleaned, shot blasted and thoroughly checked. They're then masked for painting and then rebuilt using all new internals. So it takes about 3 days to build the transfer box, 3 days for a gearbox. So the full process is around 3 to 4 weeks. What I think makes an Arkonik Defender. The joy in the customer's eyes seeing the quality of work that we do on our engines. The fact that they're all personally hand built on site. Spent a lot of time researching, developing to find the best parts available, best ways to make them.